9 days till Q4, and today I'm pissed off because I had one too many callers who was asked to pay $25,000 to get into drop shipping. If you're an Amazon seller and you are drop shipping, you need to be super careful because Amazon's rules are so incredibly strict when it comes to drop shipping that you can't farm it out to other people and not keep your hands on it. And you certainly don't want to send anybody $25,000 to create an account that you can create for free. If you are looking for quick, easy money, no involvement, and you think Amazon is the path, you are wrong. Thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of Amazon sellers will tell you selling on Amazon successfully is a lot of work. You got to make sure you're sourcing properly and you have documentation. You got to make sure you're avoiding IP complaints, intellectual property right complaints. You have to make sure if you're selling a private label product that your product is a high quality, sourced from the right place. You want to diversify your sourcing. Yes, get products manufactured in China, but also look to India. The India sourcing trip, for example, is a tremendous way of sourcing products in India. Also look at Vietnam, Thailand, South Korea. Look at alternative sources of your products. Costa Rica is a great place to source product. If you're an Amazon seller, we are here with you. And if anybody's watching this video and someone says to you, we can get your reviews on one click, we can launch your product with huge velocity, we can get you 5-star reviews and great feedback without you doing any work, they are totally wrong. Amazon sellers know selling on Amazon is challenging, it is rewarding, it is difficult. Amazon has given you great opportunities, but also the system is far from perfect. In this 9th day before Q4, I want to make sure that every single Amazon seller is staying as clean as possible, maintaining documentation so we can help you get your listings back and get your accounts back, and avoiding intellectual property right issues. That is today's episode, day 9, 9 days before Q4. Be careful, don't get ripped off.